Hey, night owls. Welcome back to Midnight Questions, where we dive into the biggest mysteries and mind-blowing facts that keep you up at night. Tonight, we're talking about one of the most terrifying and powerful forces humanity has ever created: nuclear bombs versus hydrogen bombs. You've heard of them, you know they can cause mass destruction, but what's the difference between the two? And just how powerful is a hydrogen bomb compared to a nuclear bomb? Buckle up, because this is going to blow your mind. Alright, let's start with the nuclear bomb, also known as an atomic bomb. This was the type of bomb dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, ending World War II. Nuclear bombs work using a process called nuclear fission. That means splitting heavy atoms, usually uranium-235 or plutonium-239, into smaller ones. This releases an insane amount of energy in the form of heat, shockwaves, and radiation. Think of it like a domino effect. One atom splits, releases energy, then triggers more atoms to split, and within a fraction of a second, boom, a nuclear explosion. The bombs that hit Hiroshima and Nagasaki had a yield of about 15 to 20 kilotons, meaning their explosive power was equal to 15,000 to 20,000 tons of TNT. But trust me, that's nothing compared to what comes next. Now, let's talk about the big brother of nuclear bombs, the hydrogen bomb, or thermonuclear bomb. If nuclear bombs are like matches, hydrogen bombs are like a volcano erupting. Unlike nuclear bombs, which use fission, hydrogen bombs use nuclear fusion, the same process that powers the sun. Fusion means combining light atoms, usually hydrogen isotopes, deuterium and tritium, into a heavier atom. This process releases much more energy than fission. But here's the wild part: a hydrogen bomb actually starts with a nuclear bomb. Yep. A hydrogen bomb has a small nuclear bomb inside to create the extreme heat and pressure needed for fusion. Once that happens, the explosion is beyond devastating. To put this into perspective, the Tsar Bomba, tested by the Soviet Union in 1961, had a yield of 50 megatons, that's 50 million tons of TNT. That's more than 3,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. Alright, let's compare these two in simple terms. Nuclear bombs use fission, splitting atoms, while hydrogen bombs use fusion, combining atoms. Nuclear bombs have a smaller explosive yield, kilotons, while hydrogen bombs can reach megaton levels. Hydrogen bombs require a nuclear bomb as a trigger, making them more advanced and complex. Damage-wise, a nuclear bomb can flatten a city, but a hydrogen bomb can erase an entire region. The scariest part? Only a handful of countries have hydrogen bombs: the US, Russia, China, France, and the UK. And if one were ever used in modern warfare, well, let's just say it would be the end of everything as we know it. So, to sum it up, nuclear bombs are deadly, but hydrogen bombs are on a whole different level. They're the most powerful weapons humans have ever created. But here's my question for you: do you think nuclear weapons should be completely banned? Or do they actually prevent wars through fear? Let me know in the comments. If you love uncovering the real science behind world-changing technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because here at Midnight Questions, curiosity never sleeps.